Welcome to SAM, Automotive Service IT, Workshop and Service Management Solutions. This video covers the reminders in the SAM system. Reminders in the system allows us to ensure that we will see the customer again in the future. From within a job, we can click follow-ups and it will take us to any follow-ups we have loaded in the past for the future. If I take the noted example, I can see that the technicians have noted things that they'd like to tell the customer next time they see them. It will default to tomorrow's date, but let's put it back a few days to see what this does. Here we're going to say, check the rear brakes. There are other reminders here for the service due in November, a warrant due the same day, and a second one due next year. When we start a job for this vehicle, it'll bring up this reminder, or these reminders. So we can say to the customer, we saw the vehicle in August and we should be looking at the rear brakes next time we see you. This shows the customer that we know their vehicle really well. In the other example here, it says that it's due for a service which is based on the mileage of the vehicle, if the car's done more kilometres than what the follow-up had stated. If this customer's called us and said their vehicle is not running that well, then we can advise that it's due for a service, and this would probably solve any problems they're experiencing with their vehicle. We of course can check other things at the same time. From here, if we want to do the full service, we can highlight, add text to the job, and add notes for the vehicle. While we're in this job, if we'd like to remind the customer that their vehicle is booked in, we can SMS directly from the system. You can change the text as to what you'd like them to receive, click send, and away it goes. If they reply, this will come to you as an email. If you'd like to remind them of when their booking is due, we can confirm the booking here. You can customize these as you like. If the job is finished, you can click job finished and the SMS goes to the customer. They may reply with, I won't be able to pick up until 5 PM, which would allow you to make arrangements for them to get their car after 5 PM. Because we loaded reminders against the vehicle and we'd like to send these out to the customers, in the report area it's a marketing function, service reminder cards. We can change the date range for when they need to be sent. Often a shop will run this on the first day of the month for the second part of this month, and again for the 15th of the month to run it for the last part of the month. So the customer's got at least 2 weeks notice. We can change these dates as we like. This gives us the results in this screen. A service, a warrant of fitness, or a different service, and then some more reminders. The SMS function is down the bottom here. Click OK and that sends the SMSs. This fully displays the customer, their mobile numbers, and what the message says. Once those are sent, what's left will be the reminders of the customers that do not have a mobile phone. From here you can email or manually print and post these service reminders, or simply run a report and call them on the landline. If we run this report for a prior date, it will present all the customers that haven't turned up with their vehicle for a service. So you might like to give them a call and ask them if they'd like to book in to bring their vehicle to get serviced. Why don't you give us a call or send us an email? We look forward to hearing from you.